Now children, we have studied the mode of transmission of AIDS. Now first, next we have to study the cycle of AIDS virus, how it enter in our body and how it is going to infect. So suppose we are having this as a our cell, and this is the black color that I have made, that is the cell membrane. Okay. Now what happened, you will know that our virus is having two things. One is the protein coat and other is the genetic material, and that is it, as I have told you, that RNA is the HIV is the retrovirus, so it is having RNA as a genetic material, means it has a protein coat and it has a genetic material as RNA. Now it is the retrovirus, it is having a genetic material as RNA. Now what happened, this virus come in contact with a normal cell, somehow it is come in contact with a normal cell by all the method that I have told you previously, that is the mode of transmission. Now this RNA virus, what happened, it stick to the wall of our cell. Now when it stick to the wall of the cell, it incorporate its RNA material into our cell. He induce RNA material into the cell and the protein coat left behind. Now we know that we have the central dogma. You have knowing the central dogma, that is DNA, from DNA it's RNA, from RNA it's form protein. But now this virus is RNA virus, so it has RNA as a genetic material. Now he will do a reverse transcription. He will do reverse transcription, and now from its RNA it's formed DNA. He do the reverse transcription mechanism, and from RNA the DNA will be formed. Now this DNA, as we are having not an RNA as a genetic material, so to replicate, the virus need DNA as a genetic material, so it can incorporate in our cell, and that is in our nucleus. So when our cell divide, then along with that this RNA DNA will this virus DNA will also divide. So it will do the reverse transcription and its RNA will change it into the DNA by the process of reverse transcription. Now this DNA will get incorporated into the cell, that is in the nucleus of the cell. Now it will incorporate with the nucleus. I am showing it with a red color, that the DNA of the virus is now incorporated in the cell. Now during the cell division mechanism, when this cell will divide, along with the genetic material, that the DNA which is present in the cell, along with that viral DNA also divide. As much as time the cell divide, as much as time that viral DNA is also divide. And now this viral DNA, what it will do, it will now rupture the cell, and this nucleoplasm, from here the DNA is formed, and after that in our cell also the same process take place, that now from DNA the formation of RNA will take place. So this our DNA will also form the RNA, and along with that the viral DNA will also forms the RNA. Now what happened, this RNA will come out from the nucleus, that is this RNA has the same thing, that is when it was, now it is in a same form when it is incorporated in the cell, that is now it is in a form of RNA. Now the genetic material of virus is present here, and this genetic material has again taken up the protein from the cell and it will coat it with a cell, and now it will rupture the cell and they become out of the cell, and now this cell is ready. This RNA cell is produced from the cell, and it may be from the rupturing or it may be as such it is released from the cell, and now this new cell is ready to infect the new cell of the body, and the same mechanism will go on there. So this is the process of infection, how the virus is going to infect a normal cell. That first it incorporates its RNA into the cell, then the reverse transcription take place and the RNA will converted into DNA. This DNA will incorporate it in the nucleus or in the DNA of human being, and when the cell replicate, it also replicate, and after replication the transcription process will occur, and again this DNA will forms the RNA. Along with the RNA of human, this portion of DNA, that was the viral DNA, will also forms the RNA. This new RNA will release out, and this RNA will get coated with a protein. As you know, our virus is having a RNA genetic material, and outer there is a protein coat is present, so it is coated by protein, and after that it may release from the cell, or it may rupture the cell and then release out, and it is get ready and for infecting the other cell. So out of one there are many, by this as much as our cell replicate, as much as the RNA cell also replicate. So virus cell also replicate, and the number of virus will increase in our body, and so the infected cell also get increase in our body. So this is the life cycle, or the not the life cycle, you can say it is the replication of retrovirus, that how the retrovirus replicate inside the animal cell. And it is a very important topic. This diagram comes in board, so be prepared, please prepare this diagram very thoroughly, as it's come in board to draw, as to show the replication cycle of RNA virus. This diagram is asked in board several times, so please prepare it and mug up the steps of this process.